Morning guys, just a quick update of where we're at with the Barlow board programming. We've been inundated with problems. The pick kick stopped working the other day, which was really helpful. We've since found there's something wrong with the hardware. We've knocked a wire out somewhere, and we're going to be looking at that later. Continue to simulate using Proteus, but I just wanted to show you this using MPLab's built-in debugger. We've actually found another problem, one we didn't know existed, but it's still interesting nonetheless. The program isn't running in the order we thought it would. Obviously we did the main main program, which just called an initialize function and another function called power up loop, which was going to be the actual main program, if you like. So it initialized once on power up, and then the power up loop function took over and ran the program. It doesn't run like that. It basically pulls every cycle. Every cycle of the program, if you like. That's what we've coined. The term we've coined is it runs the initialize function again, effectively closing shutting the ports down, which is what we didn't want it to do. I've slowed the debugging mode out, so I'm going to press animate, and you can see at the moment we're at initialize, and then it calls the power up loop, and then for some inexplicable reason it jumps straight to the input 3 function or subroutine, and then it goes back to the main power up loop as it should, and then runs input 1, input 2, and it's moving down now, and then it runs the input 2 function. It shouldn't be doing it in that order. Obviously I'm going to look into why it's doing that, but the worrying bit will be coming up in a minute. So we're now on input 4, completely out of order. So we did 3, 2, 4. I'm not sure if it does 1 before it does the initialize. So we're just coming to the end of 4. Here we are. We're now running the initialize. Now that should only run once at power up and then not again. Now I've sat and watched this do several loops, and it runs that every time. We need to stop that, because there we are. Now we're at input 1, so it's doing it completely arse about tit. It shouldn't be doing it in this order. So we didn't know we got that problem. I'm going to look into that now. So it's quite a handy feature using the debug menu. It hasn't solved the problem we've got, but at least it's highlighted a problem we do have. So as soon as I've sorted that, I'll upload another video. Thanks for watching.